Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to thread a needle on a Singer 2732 sewing machine. First thing we're going to do is grab our thread, and we're going to go over to our first post here, and from underneath we're going to slide it through and then around. Then we're going to go over to this little hook and disc, put it under the hook there. Then we're going to go in behind the plastic and follow the arrows on it. Underneath, around, and then drop a little slack. There's actually a slit in behind this little eye. And then when you pull on it, it'll come through like that. We're going to come down. And right on this little spiral piece, we're going to thread it through, and then we're going to go right through this little spiral here from left to right, and then we're going to thread the needle now. And it helps if you get the tip of the thread a little wet. Gets rid of any stray threads and all that. So we're going to go front to back. And then we're going to put it under our presser foot. And then we reach at the back and the little lever there, that lowers it. And then you pull your thread up from your bobbin and then you're good to go. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.